Hello everyone, welcome to another session of interactive learning techniques. Today we are going to see how to convert the number to the English words with user defined function in MS Excel. So when we are talking about the conversion of number to the English words or the English alphabets, there is no inbuilt feature or the formulas that are available in the Excel to perform this task. Mostly more functions are available to convert to perform the addition, that is sum, to perform the uh, average, to find the maximum, to find the minimum. We have the different functions, inbuilt functions available in the MS Excel. But for conversion of number to the English word, no inbuilt function is going to be available. So this can be done very easily with the help of the user defined function. So the user defined function can be built to obtain the English word from the number. These are basically used for the uh, find out the total is in word. So there are certain steps to create this number to English words. First step, initially we have to write a code. So for writing the code, we have to press the Alter plus F11 key, which opens the Microsoft Visual Basic for application Windows. This such type of window will be open for that. After opening this, you have to go to the insert option. In the insert option, you have to select the module and you have to paste a simple code, which I will give you with this video. So when you select to the insert, you will get like this option. You have to go to the insert option. In the insert, you have to select this module, and in the module you have to just paste the option, and you can use the function as you use the predefined function. So now we will move towards our the hand-on session. So I have created a file, a serial number, name, marks obtained, and in the word. So our objective is to obtain the marks in words in this column. This means that here in this D2, in this cell, we have to obtain 5 FIVE 546. So the first step, we have to press this Alter 11 key. So when we press this, we will get this Microsoft Visual Basic for application option. So in this, you have to go to the insert option, and in the insert we have to select the module. So here we have to paste the code. Which code? I have created this code. So you have to just copy this code and you have to paste this code. So I copy this code. So we'll move to the Microsoft Visual Basic for application here, and we have to paste it just like this. Nothing we have to do. So our function name is numbers to word. This is the name of the function. So this word will be used for conversion. So just we have to save it. Yes, okay, that's it. Nothing we have to do more than that. So coming to the MS Excel, so come to this point. Now we can easily use this in we user defined function. So you have to write this equals to number to words. So we have to press the tab of what of this cell. So we will give this C2 and bracket complete and this. So we will reduce some size. So this will be 546. Same we will be drag and drop. So just alignment. So see 89, 89. So third one is 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4,321. Last one is the 23. This is so simple. One more thing, this is just we are converting from the word to the sorry numbers to the word. In case if we want to convert it to the rupees, we have to make one more change in the code. I will tell you. So in these first the function number to words, in the last you have to add just the second last line, you have to add only rupees, double quotes, rupees. That's it. Nothing you have to do more than that. So we'll this and we have to do save. Okay, move to this. So yes, same we will carry list. So we are now getting 546 rupees, 89 rupees, 2 rupees, 4321 rupees, 23 rupees. So same function can be used for uh, displaying the total, so in words, or for calculation of, or for display as a rupees. So thank you everyone. Hope so you like this video. Please like and share the video.